Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kimberly if you're new. Today's video is sponsored by HOTBRAIDS. They did send over to us 5 packs of their 4A 4B texture. This is their Afro Kinky Coily bulk human hair. I did get it in 20 inches. They sent me a lot of like free gifts, guys, that I did use while doing my mini twists. They have different textures, guys, so it doesn't matter like your hair type. They have a texture for you. This is their 3A to 3B texture, and then this is their 3B and 3C texture. With each texture, guys, you can like see what best matches your hair. And also with the booklet that they provide, it tells you how to care the hair and what to do. This is the 4A 4B texture, which we will be using, and then this is their 4B/4C texture. This is my parting, guys. This is what we're gonna start out with. So what I did, I parted my hair down the center all the way, and then I parted it in half. And from those 4 sections, I went ahead and made mini sections. I split the back of my hair into 3 sections on each side. And then for the front, I split the 2 upper halves into 2. You can like screenshot this, guys, just to have like an idea of how to do your parting. I did it this way because it makes the hair easier to part, and it also helps with like the versatility of the style. I can do a side part, a center part, a half up, half down, like whatever you can think about. This type of like parting gets you that. And then I was just prepping the hair right here. I did add water in a spray bottle and I did pull on the hair. This is what the hair looks like, and I started by doing the first like little section in the back. What I do is I part each row and then I start my braid. And how I'm doing my hair is like how you would do a box braid. I add the hair on top of my hair and use my hair as a third piece. I started out with like a braid and then I go into my twist. So I did like 2 of the quarters and then I did some of the front because I was getting tired of doing the back of my hair. And then I came up with like a little trick where with each section I just parted the row and did like little mini braids just to keep the parting clean and to make it a bit easier. It's way easier when you do most of your parting first and then the twisting. To do this hairstyle, the braiding and the twisting was the easiest part for me personally. The hardest part was getting the parting. So it's best to just do a lot of your parts first and then go in before you start twisting. So part first and then do twisting, and then if you work it in the little sections, it would be way easier. I did do the box braid method for almost all my twists. I start out with just a piece of hair, use my hair as a third piece. I do a braid down, and then once I get to where I want to stop the braid, I go in with another piece of hair, and then I just start twisting. Use neat braids at the root, and then I also went in and used a twisting cream on the hair. It makes it just really easier to twist, and that's all I do pretty much, and I do that over and over and over until I'm done. This braiding took me like 2 days and a little bit to do because I started late in the evening. If you're trying to do this style, then you definitely just have to have time, and you definitely need one of the mirrors that you can see the back of your head, because for the back of my head, I did use one of those over the door mirrors. It helps a lot, and you need a braiding gel or whatever. If maybe you use Shine and Jam for your roots, that gives you clean parting. And that's pretty much all I do throughout the entire hair. And as you see, I have the twisting cream on, so it helps me do the twist, and it also helps it to stay together. And I'm literally, you guys, repeating the same thing over and over. Hopefully how I explained it helped you to understand. guys, a trick that I started doing was braiding my natural hair into one braid and then adding the hair on top and using the natural hair as the third braid. But when you braid it first and then put the hair extensions on and do the braid, it just looks so much neater. So if you can't really grip your hair like that, you could definitely try that option. That made it so much easier. And guys, I braid down to where I feel like it conceals most of my natural hair, and then I start twisting. This is because my hair is pretty short and I don't want the hair sticking out too much. I also tried using hair mousse on some of the twists, but I prefer using the twisting cream. That to me made the twist a lot easier and just like a lot fuller. And we're finally done. Guys, it feels so good to do that one last braid, but look at my parts, y'all. My parts are so clean, so pretty. Like, I love this. This hair blends really well with my natural hair. It has a very natural appearance. It literally looks like I grew my hair and I just have it in twists. I am going in and trimming the hair a bit just to shape it up because of course not all my twists are even, so I am going in just to trim it and shape it a bit. I love the look of this hair. It's like a low maintenance style, guys, that I know I can keep for a long time because I think the messier it gets, the more natural it looks. Like once it starts like, you know, poofing up, it just looks super natural. This is a great protective style that is very low maintenance. While I had this hair in, all I did was spray it with water in a spray bottle, nothing else. And I'm sealing the ends right here. I'm dipping the hair in hot water. You can do that if you want to. I personally like dipping my hair in hot water. It makes the hair relax. It makes the hair feel less tight, and it just causes the hair to just feel so much better. So that's what I'm doing for styling, and then I am gonna go in with some hair mousse. I will try to link all the hair products that I use down below so you can have it. And then I'm going into trim again because of course you just have to trim it and shape it to suit like your face and how you want it. So I did go in and just trim away anything that was too long or anything that looked like a bit stringy. I'm not gonna lie, braiding my hair This is like my favorite part of the process. Like once you apply that mousse, you know that you're done, and it's just my favorite part. This hair took me a while, but honestly guys, it's so worth it because this is a style that can last me really, really long. I don't have to do much. I literally just get up, spritz a little bit of water on my hair and a little bit of oil on my scalp if I think my scalp is dry, and then I'm out the door. This is the finished look. I really love how this hair turned out. I'm gonna show you some styles that I did with this hair. It's so versatile, it's so pretty. It really looks like my natural hair. Like you cannot tell me this isn't my natural hair. And then this is the hair on the other side. So with the parting pattern that I showed you, you can have a side part on either side. You can have a middle part, a half up, half down. You can do little ponies. Like it is so versatile. So if you didn't get anything else from this video, definitely get the parting that I did. Like do your hair like this and you will not regret it. This style can last probably like a month with proper care, or even more. I still have this style in while I'm doing this voiceover, and I do plan on keeping this style for a while because it's so easy and so low maintenance. I really just spritz water and that's it. I'm out the door. That's it in a center part. I'm gonna do a few other little cute styles so you can just have an idea as to how versatile it is. Literally treat it like your own hair. This hair is super cute. I don't know which style I like best because there's so many options and styles to choose from. If you like this hair, guys, then definitely check out the description box down below. All the links for this hair will be there, and also a coupon code so you can get some dollars off. Let me know if you're gonna try this style, guys. Have you ever done mini braids? And would you believe me if I told you that this is my first time doing mini twists, like my very first attempt, and I think it came out amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please let me know which style you like best. Definitely don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Catch you guys in my next one. Make sure to turn your post notifications on so you never miss any uploads that I do put out. Love you guys. Bye.